Hey guys, this is going to be a little tutorial for you how to make the equations that you see on your note sheet, such as like x squared or x cubed or anything like that. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to hit insert with no words anywhere. You're going to go down to equation. Once you click it, there will be this bar right here that says new equation. Once you click it, it'll start an equation for you. So if I was going to type x squared, I need to go to math operations first. If I click that, I need to hit the x with the little b where the exponent is. Once you click that, type out what letter or number you want. Then you're going to hit the right arrow key once, and you'll see that it goes slightly up. And let me make this a little bit larger for you. Okay, so if I hit the right arrow key, it's going to go slightly up. Then I can put 5, 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 10, whatever I want. So let's assume that I'm going to do x squared. If I want to go back down, I just hit the right arrow key again. And if I want to create an equation, I'm going to hit math operation, I'm going to hit this one right here that says miscellaneous operations. When I click that, I can choose multiplication, I can choose division, and this little dot right here is multiplication. If I wanted to create a new one, you're going to hit math operations, hit that button again, right where the AB is, and type X, hit your left arrow key to go up, 6, and you can use any of the equal signs, the plus signs, regular, X for, when you type X, it'll give you a fancy X for exponent, but that's how you do that. I would definitely encourage yourself to look around, see what the other ones are, and see how I hit the enter key. If I wanted to create a new equation, I'd hit new equations, and then I have access to all of these again. So take some time, mess around with it, enter some things, anything like that. So have fun.